So I have for you guys the Ipsy Glam Bag X spoilers, it's their Curator reveal, and it's pretty much who we all thought it was going to be. And so that's what we are doing in today's video. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. If you are new here, welcome. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of July, it is the Lori 1 palette. Looks like this. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaway. It talks about how to enter this one. I will have some other giveaways coming up soon, so if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure that you do so. We're such a fun laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, which are a lot here on the channel. Now, as far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Juvia's Place Lori 3 palette. Kind of looks like this on the inside. I mainly have this bottom row right here on my eyes today. So I do have a code for Ipsy if you're interested in checking them out. It'll save you a little bit of money. It helps me out on any future add-ons that I want to do. That code is just there for your convenience. If you do use it, I thank you. Now that Curator for the August Ipsy X is pretty much who everybody guessed. It is Alicia Keys. So what Ipsy says about it is the key empowerment, I have my notes on my phone, is the key empowerment. Sometimes it's all about blasting a power anthem, sticking to a self-care ritual, or grounding yourself with loving affirmations. Just ask music icon Alicia Keys, your next Glam Bag X curator. She's inviting you to step into the power with offering that empower you to express yourself, live authentically, and take charge of your own beauty journey. So what she says is, I curated these offerings to serve as a treat for your hair, skin, body, and most importantly, your soul. Soul care is changing the conversation of what it means to be beautiful and cultivating the vibe and the energy you want to stand in. It's how we approach our everyday habits, creating spaces for ourselves, being kind to ourselves, uplifting ourselves, and changing the intention behind our actions and how we speak to ourselves. So throughout the beauty rulebook, as Alicia lets you in on a personal journey. So the Glam Bag X is $55 per shipment. If you sign up for a year, that's $43 every 3 months for regular members and $30 every 2 months for Plus members, and as a limited edition upgrade to Ipsy and Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Glam Bag X will have 7 to 8 full-size products each quarter worth $350 up to $500 for Glam Bag X. So Alicia also says, in this collection, not only did I want to share my key soul care offerings, but I also wanted to shine a light on women and BeautyAmaB funded brands I think are special, says Alicia. There are so many offerings to explore and play with, and I hope that you find something new to love and incorporate into your own beauty ritual. So the first spoiler is for the Key Soul Care Be Luminous Exfoliator. Customize your cleansing experience with this water-activated exfoliating powder. When combined with water, the powder made from jojoba powder, lactic acid, mung beans, and oats transforms into a creamy foam. Benefit Cosmetics, their Real Magnet Extreme Lengthening Mascara. This techie mascara uses magnetic power to create your longest lashes than ever. The brush, complete with the zigzag bristles for separation, has a magnetically charged core that helps pull the magnet minerals-enriched mascara up and out past the tips of your lashes for instant length and lift. Yoma Beauty Brow Fro Baby Hair Ultra Slim Brow Defining Pencil. This pencil is everything you need to create precise yet naturally fluffy looking brows. The retractable feature makes sharpens as a thing of the past, and the fine point makes creating hair-like strokes as easy as a flick of the wrist. It goes on smooth and pigmented and stays in place all day for swoon-worthy brows. Bobbi Brown Cosmetics Long Wear Cream Shadow Stick. If you can color with a crayon, you can master eyeshadow with the easy-to-use cream eyeshadow stick. The shimmery shades glide right on, stay creamy long enough for you to blend and buff, and then set and will not move, flake, or crease for 24 hours. Now, a couple of the other ones that they didn't have pictures for right away is their Ofra Cosmetics On the Glow Pro Palette, the Lice Beauty Aim High Multi-Use Liquid Highlighter in Brave, Glow Recipe Dewdrops, Danza Myricks Beauty Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette in Do It Flirty or Do It Undercover, Briogeo Product, a Benefit Their Real Mascara, Truly Unicorn CBD Whipped Body Butter, Go To Skincare Skin Party Body Lotion, Lawless Eyeshadow Palette, and Juice Beauty Green Apple Cleanser. What are you most excited for? I think the Ofra palette. I think the Demissa Myricks palette. I think the Bobbi Brown Shadow Stick. What are you guys most excited for? Let me know in the comments down below. You can always chat with me there or over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB followed by the letter B. You can chat with me on Twitter. It's that same, BeautyAmaB followed by the number 1. If you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do so. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Bye.